Hey everybody, Lady Steam here. Welcome to the May 2018 Box of Making introduction unboxing video. I have to tell you that I'm sorry this box is so late. But we made it in May. The first weekend of May, we had a small problem with a leak in the shop. Okay, a big problem with a leak in the shop, which you've heard about enough. I don't need to tell you anymore. So the shop is still in apocalypse mode, but we do have some really cool projects for you, and we're mostly done with making them when the apocalypse happened. So we're mostly caught up now. Everything went out in the mail, so we're good to go, but I get to show you what's in this box. So let's start with our theme for the month is patterns. We're playing with mandalas in this case. So when I open your box up, what you're going to see is your usual thank you letter. We really are grateful for your patience with us this month. And I'm going to open the paper ever so carefully and show you what's inside. Okay, not ever so carefully. That didn't work. We do have some fun pieces of paper for you, including your coupons. The one piece you want to make sure you don't miss is the page that looks like this. The front side of it is a description of our projects. The back side has the list of the hardware and the wood and everything that should be in each of your boxes. Now, for the good stuff in the box. As you would expect, we have an art supply. This month's art supply is a set of 12 neon colored gel pens, ranging all the way from a really bright yellow down to a really cool purple, neon purple. I think it's going to be perfect for the projects in this box. And I cannot wait to see what you do with it if you decide to use it. We also have 2 mandala spinners that we're making. So we had a couple of ideas here. One was we wanted to do something really pretty with mandala patterns. And 2 was we thought you might like a coaster that was a little different. So this one you can use either upside down or sideways or backwards or inside out as your coaster. But what you'll notice is that all of the layers in the middle spin separately. So you can actually hold it up to the light, shine light through it, make pretty patterns, take a picture through it. You're going to have all kinds of fun with what you can do with these mandala patterns once you get them made. And I think they're going to be a really cool thing. Now, the way I've set them up is there are bumps on the sides. If you get the bumps lined up, the mandalas will all line up in size and they'll just get a little smaller. And you'll see more about that in the video for how to put them together. So you've got 2 different mandala spinners, or 2 double-sided coasters, whatever you want to call them. I think you're going to love playing with them. Every time I put one of these together, it is all I can do to not just spin it constantly because I keep wanting to look at the patterns that it's making. They look like they're little tiny fragile pieces, but they work amazingly well and are amazingly strong. The third project in this box is one I'm even more proud of. We've taken our third mandala pattern that we fell in love with and built a mandala pendant. You'll want to look again at the video for it to see it closer up. But it's just this really fun pendant. It makes 2 different sets of patterns spin both ways. Again, I am just completely overwhelmed with it and cannot stop spinning it. So if that gives you any indication, it's something that might be a lot of fun in the long run. I certainly think it will be. The first chance I get, I'm sanding the pieces and putting together one for myself that's all colored up using these neon pins because I think they're just going to be gorgeous. And then the rest of what's in our box are the usual things. Pin test wood, spare screws so you don't drop a screw in the carpet and never find it again and not be able to make your project. Glue and sandpaper. And at that point, you're going to have so much fun building your projects. I just can't wait to see what you've done. Make sure you send us an email or post it on social media and tag us. We'd love to hear from you.